Carolyn, Mike, hi, Charlie Rose here. It was an absolute pleasure to meet with you guys and talk to you today. I'm super excited about the chance and the possibility to be able to help you. I wanted to present you this video so that you have it for quick reference. And I know as you talk to the others and stuff, this will allow you to recall exactly what we talked about so there's nothing that's lost in the translation of the design and what we hope the finished end result will be. So we'll just jump right through. I won't spend quite as much time, but I want to show you, I did add a few more product options just so that way it could create a visual reminder for what we talked about. And as we open up all these drawers, what we're looking at and the function that we hope to be able to achieve. Slid behind a wall there, let's pop back. So what we'll look at is on the very bottom here, this is where I recommended we'll put a divider to keep all your lids. Since you don't use them all the time, we'll just tuck them away down there, get them off of the bottom, give you some more space here to free up for other things. If you want to move some of those pots over into this space, you can. I've also included the two free upgrades for the rail, the longer full extension rails that you'll have there. So I think that will make a big difference. We'll get your coffee and your sugar and flour, everything up on this top drawer. We'll do a taller 5-inch drawer box here called our double height. That's going to really allow you to hold all that thing easily without not worrying about anything toppling over or potentially falling out. Those have a heavy base, so I'm not too worried about those. Then if we look over on this far side of the oven, to the left of it over here in the corner, just as soon as it's done thinking. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put a deeper 7-inch unit on the bottom. It's what we call our triple height unit. And you'll see here, we'll put a divider in here. That divider is adjustable. You can put it on this left side in the central area, wherever you want it to really isolate and put all those tall skinnies, things that maybe you're not putting in this corner over here, cutting boards, the little meat tray that you had there, the muffin trays, and some of those other things. If you want to put that stoneware in there as well, you've got room to be able to do that. I'm not worried about the height or how that's going to work. We'll do a shallower drawer on top here. This is, I'm envisioning possibly putting things over here you don't use maybe as much or maybe make more sense on this side of the room. But here I'm just showing some glassware items, some of the Tupperware type things that you have there if you want to put them on top. But that's going to be here with a 2.5-inch height profile. And if we slide over to the sink side, let's take a look and see what we've got there. I like what we're going to do in the combination of these two drawers. So we're going to take some of the platters and things out. And by the time we do the 3 drawers here, removing that style. And again, we'll zoom in on that so you can kind of see what that's going to look like. So it's really going to make it simple access, and that'll be a real clean look there. You'll see pictures of this in the Solutions magazine I left behind you to show you how we do that. So it's something we're very comfortable with. But we'll do 3 drawers in here that are the single height profile that are 2.5 inches tall. And again, we'll space the top and middle one based upon the items that are either in it or below it. So that way we have the proper clearance, because the last thing we want to do is put all this together and you not have a home for something. So this is going to make a huge difference for you. We'll leave the crock pot, if you don't use it a whole lot, put it on the bottom here. I like this idea of being able to clear up your countertop. So you've got your medicines that you use all the time, then your surplus in behind it. And it's real easy to access, tuck it away. It's not out there for everyone to be able to see, and makes it just a little bit simpler. So, but all in all, I like the solutions that we've come up. I think this is going to be a great opportunity to be able to just really make you love what you're doing here and enjoy the kitchen and make it easier. So when you get up every day and everything's where you need it to be, I know the cost that comes in with that is an expense, but it's one of those when it's all done, you're going to be thankful that you did it. So thank you so much. Appreciate you guys more than you can imagine. Enjoy the conversation as much as anything, and hope we get a chance to be able to work with you and go from there. Thank you guys so much. I'll be attaching in an email as well so that you have the proposal. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.